Prosecutors have informed the jury and the judge that they will wrap up their case this afternoon against Madigan. And as you mentioned, jurors heard this morning from a colorful and jumbled former state rep, Eddie Acevedo. He's a key witness here. He testified to a grand jury years ago that he accepted no-work jobs from AT&T and ComEd worth about $140,000. Now, this was the alleged bribe to Madigan in exchange for Madigan's support on this legislation. But Acevedo said today that he suffered from dementia. He couldn't even remember his grandchildren named, and he had a host of other medical problems. So he had conflicting testimony saying, well, he did a little bit of work at those jobs. Now, jurors have spent hundreds of hours listening to prosecutors in painstaking detail explain how Madigan wielded near absolute power in Springfield. If someone wanted a bill passed, they had to go through Madigan. If it was going to die, it was because of Madigan. And ComEd got these two big pieces of legislation that provided their company a windfall financially, but then raised rates on Chicago ratepayers. ComEd has already pleaded guilty to its role in this in a deferred prosecution, but former top ComEd execs want their case tossed out, given a recent Supreme Court ruling that narrowed the scope of bribery. So that's where we stand right now. Again, after hundreds and hundreds of hours of testimony, dozens of witnesses, 2 months here, prosecutors are going to rest their case, and then it's up to the defense. Who will they call to the stand? Will it include Madigan himself? We will be staying tuned for all of that here at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse. Sylvia?
Thank you for that, Paris. It's going to be very interesting to see how long the defense takes with their side. Thanks so much.